Ang galing! Welcome to Korea! Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Mabalacat City to experience itong self-cooked Korean noodle house dito sa may Xevera.
Yes, actually ito ang bagong-bagong place to be dito sa may Xevera area. Guys, if you wanna know more about this and mapanood kung ano yung experience namin, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
And let's find out kung how does it work ba dito sa, how does it look like dito sa K.Ramyun. So pagpasok niyo guys, this is the dining area as well as kung saan pipili ka
Meron tayong
soup
soup
base
or yung mga stir fry.
So
Next thing to do natin, syempre, pili na tayo.
yeah, so yun.
Kuha na tayo ng
Tray, this is the first step. Ayan, kuha tayong tray at saka yung ating bowl.
So, we have different trays for noodles feeling ko and for...
Yes. So yun yung soup base.
Yes, things soup. Susubukan ko itong bulldog hot chicken flavor.
Korean niya, pero looks like seafood. Yan, we're gonna go for this one. Let's put it there.
So this is the first step na dito sa may K.Ramyun. So the next step naman natin, ipipili na tayo ng mga additional ingredients.
Mga add-ons niya. So dito guys, you can choose from your kimchi, meron din tayo mga meatballs, at saka mushrooms.
Yes, meron din tayong mga sausages, spam, corn, mga shiitake mushroom, and cheese.
So each item na pipiliin nyo has a corresponding price. So depende sa budget ninyo at the same time kung ano yung kinikrave ninyo. Actually, dito rin sa side na to, you can choose your drinks na rin.
Yes.
Iced vanilla, sweet americano, I think I'm gonna go for this one, americano.
Ako naman, I think this one.
What is that?
Yung peach iced tea.
Peach ice. French vanilla. Ah, okay. Vanilla.
Ayan. So we will eat the Korean style, right?
Korean style. Okay.
So bayad muna tayo.
Bayad muna tayo. Alright, ma'am, ito po.
So the next step naman natin, syempre, iluluto na yung mga natin, mga kinuha natin mga noodles.
We're gonna cook them. So yun guys, press number 1.
Then sir, wait na lang po natin siya until ma-cook.
This one, yung time. Ang galing! Welcome to Korea! Alright, so ayun nga guys, right after ma-experience natin yung kakaibang noodle house dito sa may Mabalacat, what is your takeaway, bro?
So ako, nag-enjoy ako dito, lalo-lalo na natikman natin yung paano natin gusto talagang i-serve yung mga pagkain natin. Imagine, meron silang 31 choices of noodles dito.
Wow, ang dami nun. So isa pa sa mga nag-enjoy ako dito, habang niluluto natin yung mga noodles nga natin, may konting kwentuhan, may kwentong kumustahan, kung kumusta na yung mga niluluto nila. Kahit hindi mo kakilala, actually, nagkakaroon ng opportunity para makausap mo sila.
So, K.Ramyun is located dito sa may Greatmall, Xevera, Mabalacat, Pampanga. And they're open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday.
Yeah. So ayun guys, if you are into this kind of food and at the same time experience sa mga K-pop dyan, mga Korean fanatics guys, you gotta try this out. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Bye guys.